I have this a Canon Canon Vixia HF R52 model number HD camcorder that I bought back in 2014 right here on my tripod. And there's an advantage to this camcorder that I very much admire still. That is, I would rather, be videoed with my camcorder on my tripod just as it is right now. From now on, all my YouTube vlogs and all my video selfies will be with the camcorder on the tripod, with me standing about this far away. Maybe one of these days I'll invest in a prop to support my phone so I can, use my phone to, stand, about, this far back whenever I video myself. But for now, this good old-fashioned camcorder will make do. I mean, that's for the very reason that, I'm no longer gonna put videos out in circulation using my, filming, myself, close to my phone. Because when I watch videos of myself, with me, with it close to my face, pretty embarrassing. Shows full definition of my face, and don't want to be reminded of age progression and such. So, hell, I like videoing myself just as it is right now. Yeah.